Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil, and at the time of recording this I've lived aboard my narrowboat as a continuous cruiser for over 34 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling the canal system and making videos. In today's video I'm setting off from Hartshill. I've just stopped here and filled up with water. It's a very interesting looking yard. There's no other facilities there, and we'll be heading on down the canal in the direction towards Nuneaton. I'm not going quite that far. We'll stop just a bit short of Nuneaton, but it's quite a scenic little stretch of canal really, and it's an autumn day, so we've got some autumn colours to look at. So here we go. I've boated along here several times now, and I always like the look of that house there on the right. Really quite homely looking. And a decent sized garden as well, and next to the canal.
Imagine the peace, a canal so still, each journey unique, a fresh new thrill. Feel the calm, the charm, the endless skies. Click narrowboat journeys, see life through new eyes. Step aboard your adventure awaits, cruise in the waters, unlock the gates, discover the dream, let your mind roam free. Narrowboat journeys where you're meant to be. Bushka and Midge are waiting inside, keen to get out at the end of the ride. New places to roam, new things to see, loving this life, happy as can be. Step aboard, your adventure awaits, cruise in the waters, unlock the gates, discover the dream, let your mind roam free. Narrowboat journeys where you're meant to be. Feel the calm, the charm, the endless skies. Click narrowboat journeys, see life through new eyes. story of my life, the price I have to pay. Continuously cruising, not allowed to stay. Continuously cruising every 14 days. Moving in all weathers, in sun and wind and rain. No roots there are to hold me down, no one to keep me safe. Hello, goodbye, I'll be back again one day. It's the story of my life, the price I have to pay. But it's not all bad. Many wish they had a life as free as mine. The freedom to roam in my watery home, a way to spend my time. Continuously cruising. Continuously cruising.
Just in case you were wondering, the music's by Cryfall Sky, with a lot of help from UDO AI.
Just ahead is Bridge 27. I'm going to moor up just after there. On the right we've got a marina where you can get all your coal, diesel and gas here as well. Very useful. If you cross the bridge to the right and then walk up the hill, there's a budgeon shop not too far away. It's not particularly close. I found it frighteningly expensive, to be honest, but there's not much else in this area, so you might as well go there if you need something. Apart from that, there's some really nice mooring around here. Good place to stop. Well, I think I'll stop just in front of this boat. There's no boats coming and it's not windy, so I'll just turn the engine off and coast in. I hope you've enjoyed this trip. Thank you very much for watching. Well, I think it's time to let the cats out.
Oh, it's time to let the cats out. They've been shut in far too long. First one out is Bushka, closely followed by Midge. Come on boys, out you come. There's lots to see and do. Come on boys, out you come. You probably need to poo. Thank you for watching.